Welcome. This is the Gamified-Habit-Tracker. So this is the link for the repository, and we're going to copy the HTTPS link and we're going to clone that in our terminal. So I'll save it in my desktop. So I'll go to CD desktop, then I'll create a folder mkdir and I'll call it capstone 2. Then I'll CD into capstone 2. Then I'll CD into once I CD into capstone 2, then I'm going to CD into the Gamified-Habit-Tracker by cloning it. So paste that link in after it clones. Then we're going to go to the Gamified-Habit-Tracker. Then once we're in that folder, then we're going to go to the backend. So CD backend after we CD into that folder. Once we CD into that backend, we'll create the virtual environment. So for some of you, it might be Python -m VNV, and you can name it VNV. I'll get an error because I have Python 3. So I got to put Python 3 instead of regular Python. And that will download my VNV. After that, then I activate it with source. So source. Okay, so that's supposed to be the name first, so VNV. VNV -bin/activate. Once that's activated, then we install our requirements. So I'll be pip install -r requirements.txt. Once we get our requirements in, then we migrate our environment from manage.py. After we migrate, then we're going to get the seed achievements. After the seed achievements, then we're going to get the mock users. So Python manage.py. Then seed achievements. So this right there is the terminal for the back end. Okay, I'm gonna open a new terminal for the front end. So okay, we got seed achievements. Now we're gonna do mock users. Once we get that in, then we're gonna run the server. So it'll be Python manage.py run server, and that's where you're gonna see your local host and your port, which will be 8,000. And this is in the backend terminal. This is where you're gonna see all your logs for if you need to update requirements, packages, and you'll see other logs if your program have a bug or any kind of error. So there's the link for the backend. Let's open it to see if it works. Okay, that confirms it worked. And those logs will appear on the backend terminal once the front end is run. So we CD into the front end and npm install. Okay, after that, then we could do npm run dev. This should run and okay, localhost, and then 5173 is the port. Once that's open, and we get the application open, then we could go back into the backend terminal and see any logs for errors or anything that's going on with the application. Thank you.